Foldable wire mesh cages display. Designed for efficient storage and smart logistics. This collapsible wire mesh container offers high load capacity with a space-saving structure. When in use, it provides strong, stable support for bulk goods and industrial materials. When not in use, it folds flat quickly, reducing storage and return transportation costs. The open mesh design allows clear visibility, easy inventory checks, and improved airflow. Reinforced steel wire ensures durability, impact resistance, and long service life. Compatible with forklifts and pallet trucks for easy handling in warehouses and distribution centers. Ideal for manufacturing, logistics, automotive, and retail storage applications. A practical solution to improve storage efficiency and optimize warehouse space.